Mobility drills are the unsung heroes of movement training, optimizing both flexibility and strength. They serve as the essential warm-up before any physical activity, preparing your body for the movements to come. Imagine your joints as hinges, needing oil to operate smoothly. Mobility drills function like that oil, ensuring that every turn, twist, and reach is effortless and pain-free. Engaging in these drills regularly empowers you to unlock your body's full range of motion, enhancing overall performance in sports and daily activities. To begin, let's consider dynamic stretches as a fundamental element of mobility drills. These stretches involve moving through a full range of motion, energizing your muscles while improving flexibility. Picture yourself performing arm circles, feeling the gentle stretch through your shoulders, or doing leg swings, visualizing your hips warming up with each forward and backward swing. These exercises can invigorate your entire body, preparing it for a more rigorous workout. Incorporating lunges with a twist can work wonders as well. Picture stepping forward, feeling the stretch across your hips, and then rotating your torso to engage your core while keeping your balance. Beyond dynamic stretches, foam rolling is a powerful addition to your mobility routine. Envision gliding across a foam roller, releasing tightness in your muscles and fascia. This self-myofascial release technique helps increase blood flow, providing the necessary nutrients that deteriorated muscle tissue needs to repair. Focus on rolling out your calves, quads, and back, where tension often builds up. As you trace the contours of your muscles with the roller, visualize the knots unraveling and the relief washing over you, allowing for smoother movements afterward. Incorporating yoga-inspired movements can also be beneficial for mobility. Envision yourself in a downward dog position, pushing your heels to the ground, elongating your spine, and inhaling deeply to open up your chest. This stretch not only captivates your mind, but also releases tension throughout your body. Furthermore, transitions such as the world's greatest stretch allow you to ground yourself while simultaneously opening your hips and activating your core. Each movement makes you feel more agile and centered as your body learns to flow naturally from one position to another. Consistency is key. Dedicate time every week to these mobility drills, and your body will reward you with improved movement, reduced risk of injury, and an overall enhanced sense of well-being. Movement is the essence of life, and enhancing it can lead to improved performance, injury prevention, and overall well-being. Mobility drills are the keys to unlocking a fuller range of motion, allowing the body to move effortlessly and effectively. Imagine bending down to tie your shoes without discomfort, or reaching up to grab an item from a shelf without straining. These are the everyday benefits of dedicated mobility work. The first step in improving mobility is to establish a strong foundation. Begin with dynamic warm-up exercises that engage multiple joints and muscle groups. Visualize performing arm circles, gradually increasing the range while feeling the gentle stretch in your shoulders. Implement hip openers like leg swings, picturing your hip joints loosening as you ingress into fluidity. These warm-ups not only prepare your body for movement, but create a mental connection to the areas you will be focusing on. Next, integrate targeted mobility drills that address specific areas of tightness. Imagine performing deep squats, allowing your hips to lower between your knees, visualizing the opening of your pelvis as your torso remains upright. Focus on stretching your calf muscles by pushing against a wall while keeping your heels down, picturing the tension releasing along the back of your legs. Incorporate spinal mobility with cat-cow stretches, picturing your spine as a flexible column that moves fluidly through each position. As you progress, enhance your routine with compound movements that challenge your mobility while building strength. Envision performing lunges with a twist, where every step forward opens not only your hips but also engages your core. Try incorporating inchworms, where you walk your hands out into a plank before walking your feet towards your hands, creating a wave of movement through your entire body. This technique blends dynamism and strength, offering a full-body approach to mobility. Regular practice is crucial for reaping the benefits of mobility drills. Picture yourself incorporating these exercises into your daily routine, setting aside just 15-20 minutes each day. Celebrate the incremental changes you feel in your body, the ease of movement, the strengthened range of motion, and the resilience you build. Remember, enhanced mobility doesn't just benefit athletes, it's for everyone seeking a more vibrant and agile lifestyle.